Love to crochet or just starting to learn? Looking for inspiration, easy and simple tutorials, unique original ideas for last-minute crochet gifts? You are in the right place. Here is a place where intricate projects become simple and easy to follow with my beginner-friendly crochet tutorials. I crochet and design professionally, and I am sharing my 25 plus years of experience, tips and tricks. I know how to uncomplicate the complicated and break it down to simple steps. And I will show you how using simple basic stitches you can create precious luxury keepsakes worthy of passing on to future generations. I post new tutorials weekly, and I have so much more to come. Subscribe to be first to know. Let's make beauty together, one stitch at a time. Happy crocheting!